Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about adding similar fractions. Find the sum. These fractions are similar fractions because they have the same denominators. Now, let's add this using models. 2/5 plus 1/5 First, add the numerator. We have 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then, copy the denominator 5. 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. Let's answer this. Find the sum. 3/7 plus 2/7. First, add the numerator. We have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then, copy the denominator 7. Since 5/7 is already the lowest term, then 5/7 is our final answer. Another problem. Find the sum. 4/9 plus 3/9. First, add the numerator. We have 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then, copy the denominator 9. Since 7/9 is already the lowest term, then 7/9 is our final answer. Another problem. 5/10 plus 3/10. First, add the numerator. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then copy the denominator 10. Let's convert or reduce our answer into its lowest term. To reduce the fraction, divide both numerator and denominator by the GCF or the greatest common factor. So, the greatest common factor of 8 and 10 is 2. Now, let's divide. First, divide the numerator. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then, divide the denominator. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So, our final answer is 4/5. Another problem. 2/12 plus 2/12. First, add the numerator. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Copy the denominator 12. Now, let's reduce our answer into its lowest term. To reduce fraction, divide both numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or GCF. So the GCF of 4 and 12 is 4. Let's divide. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Next, divide the denominator. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Our final answer is 1/3. Another problem. 2/8 plus 6/8. First, add the numerator. We have 2 plus 6 equals 8. Then, copy the denominator 8. So the answer is 8 eighths or 1 because 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So our final answer is 1. Quiz time. Let's answer this. Find the sum. Write your answers in lowest terms if possible. You only have 5 seconds to answer. 2/5 plus 1/5. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 3/5. Next, 3/8 plus 4/8. Time's up. The answer is 7/8. Next, 2/7 plus 2/7. Time's up. The answer is 4/7. Another 6/11 plus 3/11. Time's up. The answer is 9/11. Another 3/15 plus 4/15. Time's up. The answer is 7/15. Next, 2/6 plus 1/6. Time's up. The answer is 3/6. Let's convert our answer into its lowest term. We have the GCF of 3. So the answer is 1/2. Because 3 divided by 3 equals 1 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Another 3/8 plus 3/8. Time's up. The answer is 6/8. Now, let's convert our answer into its lowest term. Let's divide both numerator and denominator by the GCF. So, the greatest common factor is 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, the answer is 3/4. Next, 3/4 plus 1/4. Time's up. The answer is 4/4 or 1. Another 2/15 plus 3/15. Time's up. The answer is 5/15. Let's convert our answer into its lowest term. So the greatest common factor is 5. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1 and 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So the answer is 1/3. Next, 9/32 plus 7/32 times up. The answer is 16/32. But let's convert this into its lowest term. So the DCF of 16 and 32 is 16. So 16 divided by 16 equals 1 and 32 divided by 16 equals 2. So the answer is 1/2. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about adding similar fractions. Thanks for watching.